Risk-based audit planning guide for beginners. Risk-based audit planning stands as a dynamic and evolving process, elevating the significance and efficiency of audits by incorporating cybersecurity. It tailors them to an organization's unique risks. This strategic method empowers auditors to concentrate efforts where they truly matter, actively contributing to the broader risk management framework. Operating as a strategic approach, it zeroes in on identifying and evaluating risks within an organization.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The primary aim is to optimize audit resources and bolster the overall effectiveness of the audit process. This methodology acknowledges the diversity of risk levels across different organizational areas, intending to allocate audit resources based on the gravity of these risks. Ultimately, the objective is to assure that financial statements remain devoid of material misstatements and critical business processes operate with effectiveness. In embracing risk-based audit planning, auditors play a vital role in upholding the integrity of financial reporting and ensuring the robust functionality of key business operations. Risk assessment fundamentals. Let us delve into the fundamental aspects of auditing. Strategic planning. Auditors commence with meticulous planning, strategically identifying focal areas, potential risks, and allocating resources judiciously. This initial phase is akin to developing a comprehensive roadmap for a secure and effective audit journey. Methodical fieldwork. Transitioning into the fieldwork phase, auditors adopt a methodical investigative approach. They collect pertinent evidence, conduct thorough inquiries, and scrutinize details. It resembles the diligence of a detective resolving a numerical mystery. Comprehensive reporting. The conclusive reporting stage entails the dissemination of findings. A positive alignment signifies operational excellence, while identified discrepancies prompt constructive recommendations for enhancement, a conclusive evaluation contributing to the overall health of the business. The role of risk in audit planning. Risk plays a fundamental role in audit planning, influencing the auditor's approach to ensure that the audit is effective and focused on areas of potential concern. The key aspects of the role of risk in audit planning include risk assessment. Auditors assess the risk of material misstatement in the financial statements. This involves evaluating both inherent risk, the susceptibility of an assertion to a material misstatement, without considering internal controls, and control risk, the risk that a material misstatement will not be prevented or detected by internal controls. Materiality determination. The level of materiality is often linked to the assessed risks. Higher risks may lead to a lower acceptable level of materiality, prompting more detailed and extensive audit procedures. Audit strategy. The level of risk influences the overall audit strategy. Higher risk areas may require more substantive testing, while lower risk areas may rely more on tests of controls. Focus on high risk areas. Audit planning prioritizes high risk areas, ensuring that these receive more attention and resources during the audit process. This targeted approach is essential for effective risk mitigation. Tailored audit procedures. The nature, timing, and extent of audit procedures are customized based on the assessed risks. High-risk areas may require more rigorous and extensive testing to obtain sufficient audit evidence. Response to risk assessment. If the auditor identifies significant risks, they must design appropriate responses. This could involve additional audit procedures, a reassessment of materiality, or changes to the overall audit strategy. Communication with management. The auditor communicates identified risks to management, facilitating a mutual understanding of potential issues and providing an opportunity for management to address concerns. Continual risk assessment. Risk assessment is not a one-time activity. Throughout the audit, auditors continually reassess risks based on new information and findings, adjusting the audit approach as necessary. By integrating risk assessment into audit planning, auditors can focus their efforts on areas most susceptible to material misstatement, ensuring a targeted and efficient audit process. This risk-based approach enhances the overall quality and effectiveness of the audit in providing assurance on the reliability of financial statements. Benefits of risk-based audit planning. The risk-based audit planning benefits involves efficiency. Allocates audit resources efficiently by focusing on high-risk areas. Relevance. Ensures that audit procedures are relevant to the specific risks faced by the organization. Timeliness. Enhances the timeliness of the audit process by prioritizing critical areas. Value addition. Provides value-added insights to management by addressing key risks and suggesting improvements.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.